Welcome! Today, we're diving into a story that, while rooted in conflict, ultimately speaks to the enduring power of the human spirit, the strength found in connection, and the quiet victories that shape our lives. Imagine the vast, often turbulent expanse of the Black Sea. It's a place of immense beauty, but also a stage for profound challenges. In the midst of this, a moment of incredible courage unfolded. A Ukrainian drone, a marvel of ingenuity and determination, executed a precise and powerful strike, obliterating a Russian warship. This wasn't just a military maneuver. It was a testament to the unwavering resolve of a nation fighting for its freedom. It's a stark reminder that even in the darkest of times, innovation and bravery can create a turning point. But beyond the headlines and the strategic implications, there are always personal stories unfolding. Think about the individuals who designed and piloted that drone, their focus, their skill, their belief in a cause greater than themselves. Their success wasn't born overnight. It was the culmination of countless hours of learning, of overcoming setbacks, and of a deep-seated courage to push boundaries. This kind of growth, this dedication to mastering a craft, is something we can all draw inspiration from. And what about the bonds that hold people together during such trying times? Love and friendship become lifelines. They are the quiet conversations that offer solace, the shared glances of understanding, the unwavering support that allows individuals to face unimaginable pressures. These connections are the bedrock of resilience, reminding us that we are never truly alone. They foster a sense of belonging and shared purpose, fueling the courage needed to persevere. The journey of growth is rarely linear. It's often paved with patience, with the understanding that true success, whether on the battlefield or in our personal lives, requires time and consistent effort. It's about learning from mistakes, adapting to new circumstances, and holding on to hope even when the horizon seems bleak. The individuals involved in that drone operation, and indeed, so many Ukrainians, have demonstrated extraordinary patience, waiting for the right moment, honing their skills, and never giving up on their vision of a peaceful future. This story, in its entirety, is a powerful narrative of courage, of the profound impact of love and friendship, and of the remarkable capacity for growth and success that lies within us all. It's a reminder that even when faced with overwhelming odds, the human spirit, fueled by connection and determination, can achieve the extraordinary. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this story has resonated with you. If you found this insightful, please consider following for more explorations of life's compelling narratives.